Welcome to AI and Tech Tidbits, where the browser is no longer just a window, but a full-blown AI control center. Today, we're spotlighting Genspark, the AI browser that thinks, clicks, and navigates for you. With Genspark Super Agent, you don't just browse, you co-pilot the web with AI at your fingertips. Smart shopping made smarter. Let's say you're on BestBuy, looking for a new gadget. Just click Find Best Deal. In seconds, Genspark scans the entire internet and shows you cheaper prices, like eBay, saving you $38. Or maybe you're buying sunscreen on Walmart. Hit Help Me Choose, and Genspark pulls up top brands, SPF levels, key use cases, all in a clean side-by-side layout. YouTube just got productive. Watching an interview on YouTube? Genspark can summarize, extract transcripts, and even auto-generate Google-style slides from any video. It can even find and download all research papers mentioned in minutes. Autopilot mode. The web runs itself. Now things get crazy. With Genspark's Autopilot mode, it navigates your Twitter feed by itself. Ask it to create a podcast based on your interests. It reads, summarizes, and builds a full audio roundup. Same goes for premium sites like SimilarWeb. Genspark opens, searches, compares platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, then turns everything into one clean table. All while you do nothing. One browser, every tool. It blocks ads for distraction-free browsing. It connects with your Notion, Slack, Zoom, Google Calendar, and even GitHub. It sets up meetings, gathers Discord feedback, and opens issues automatically. The MCP store is here. The tools powering Genspark are called MCPs, Model Context Protocols. Now there's an MCP store with over 700 plug-and-play AI tools, all ready to install. Genspark isn't just an AI tool, it's your digital partner in productivity. Thanks for watching AI and Tech Tidbits. Subscribe to stay one step ahead.